Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the Dollar General penny list and clearance markdowns for this Tuesday, November the 29th. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, I just want to go ahead and remind everybody that I did upload the new coupons and glitches video yesterday on Sunday, and man, do we have a lot of really awesome coupon matchups, glitches, and overages. So if you missed out on that video, make sure that you go and check it out, and I'll have it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, so now let's go ahead and jump right into our clearance markdowns, and remember that these prices will be effective starting at Tuesday, November the 29th. Alright, so starting on Tuesday, we're going to have all of our non-core sunscreen items dropping down to 50% off. So here's a quick look at all the items that are included in the non-core sunscreen category. And as y'all can see, I have the pictures and the UPC codes on your screen there for you all. We've got a couple of the Wild Tropics sunscreen sprays, and then we also have a ton of the Studio Selection sunscreen. Now, there's a pretty big variety of the Studio Selection sunscreen. We have everything from the baby's sunscreen to kids' sunscreen to adult sunscreens. We have sprays as well as the sunscreen lotions in all different sizes, so you really want to be on the lookout. Now, at my store, they have moved these items into the clearance section. So again, just keep your eye out because these will drop to a lower percentage off and eventually penny out. And unfortunately, this is our only new markdown that will be happening on Tuesday, November the 29th. Alright, so now let's go ahead and talk about our new Dollar General penny list for this Tuesday, November the 29th. Now, I do want to put out a little disclaimer here because if your stores have the new registers in place, your items will not ring up a penny at that store until Wednesday, November the 30th. Now, with that being said, I have had several people report to me that they were able to get their penny items to ring up a penny on the new registers with the new system on Tuesday, but it was always really late in the day. So 7, 8, 9 p.m., even right before closing. If you have some of those stores that stay open later until 10 p.m. or 11 p.m., you may be able to go into the store and get your penny items then right before the store closes. So y'all just keep that in mind. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I did upload a video talking about the different registers with the different systems that we have at Dollar General right now. So if you guys want to go and check that out, I will have it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. But just keep in mind that this situation is constantly evolving and changing. Dollar General continues to throw us curveballs, so we are just going to have to kind of roll with the punches, and hopefully everything will be worked out very soon. Alright, now that we have all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into this penny list. Now remember, the number one rule of penny shopping is do not ask employees about penny items. All you have to do is go into the store on Tuesday or Wednesday now and look for the items that I'm going to show you in this video. Scan them with your Dollar General app and make sure that you have your correct store location set. If it scans at 000 or 001, that means that you have found a penny item. So, starting on Tuesday, November the 29th, we're going to have all of our green dot home items going down to just 1 penny. So, I have included a few pictures of the green dot home items that you want to be on the lookout for, but keep in mind that the green dot home category is a big category, so there is a lot included in this list. So with this penny list, you're really going to have to keep your eyes peeled. Now, we have had the green dot items for quite some time, but just be on the lookout for that green dot on the tag. And again, make sure that you scan to double check that it is in fact a penny. Now, the green dot home category is kind of our spring home decor items at DG. So we have everything from the kitchen, like cups, plates, and bowls, to the bathroom. We have shower curtains and rugs. We also have pillows. I'm sure that there's probably some blankets thrown in there as well. And of course, just regular home decor items like these little jars and candles here. So you guys really want to be on the lookout. Make sure that you are checking your NCI and home sections in your stores. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for our new penny list and clearance markdowns for Tuesday, November the 29th. I wish each and every one of y'all good luck, and don't forget to come back and let me know how you did. Now, if you guys are looking for even more deals that you can do at Dollar General this week, make sure that you go back and check out my new coupons and glitches video. I will have that linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And make sure that y'all stick around because I have Family Dollar and Walgreens coming up for y'all next. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.